Meaning of gloss.
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 Gloss. The term gloss can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to a shiny or reflective surface or coating on a material, such as paint or varnish. It can also mean a superficially attractive appearance that masks underlying problems or flaws. In linguistics, gloss is the act of translating a word or phrase from one language into another. In summary, the meaning of gloss varies depending on the field of study or situation, but it often relates to a surface shine, a deceptive appearance, or a translation.